In this video, I will talk about how to make face me person or tree from photo in Google SketchUp. Download a photo that you will use. Check the image size and its square ratio. Use rectangular tool to draw square 2 meters. Be sure to import the photo and use image as texture is selected. Use Move tool to get the image down to the ground. Select all and make component. Be sure that always face camera and shadows face sun options are selected. Set component axes, then click Create. Go to View and select Shadow. Cut white color space around the photo to prevent its shadows. Before using freehand tool, click 3 times on the component to select it. Highlight the outside area and delete it. Still you have white area. To get rid of this, you have to change the type of image in Photoshop to support transparent. Go to Photoshop and remove the white color and save the image in PNG format instead of JPEG format. In SketchUp, go to Material Windows, Edit, and in Model Material change the photo with the PNG format. Thank you for watching Fawziacademy. Please like, subscribe, share this video, and visit our website, Fawziacademy.com.